What's happening? It's Mark. I'm in Faro in Portugal. I found this abandoned building here. I don't know what it is, but it looks interesting. Look at this section. They're definitely doing some work, doing something with it. Look, there's been some workmen here. But what this place was, I'm not sure. Check it out, it's pretty much wrecked, isn't it? This place is wrecked, man. Look. No roof at all. Bet this was a nice building back in its day. Look at the mosaic tiles, or what's left of them. Stained glass door. Right, what was this building? Oh, hi. I thought you were one of the workmen. Look, bricked up windows. Stop people getting in like we've just done. What is that? Looks like a small bathtub, look. Bathtub for a child. Broken glass everywhere. People pissing on the stairs, man. They just don't care. Little terrace. Look. Baby bathtub. Yeah, be careful if anyone comes here. There's broken glass everywhere, man. Okay, yeah, no idea what this building was, but here it is. There's some paperwork there, whatever that is. It's all in Portuguese. Oh look, computer keyboard. Yeah, man, this is ruined, this place. Actually, it looks like the roof's been on fire at some point. All the timber's black, innit? The roof is on fire. Shopping trolley there. That room. Oh look, toilet. We have a toilet. Anyone wants to take a shit, they can. Look at all the bits of broken tiles, look. That's it, man. There's just nothing left of this building at all. I wonder if they're going to repair it. Renovate it. Oh look, chickens, look. We've got some chickens here. Chicken. Lay a little egg for me. Can you see them on the camera? There's some little chickens. Look at this thing. Is this supposed to be a pond? Pond with no water in it, and the big back garden, which looks like they've been digging it up, trying to do something. I think maybe they're going to do something with this building, hopefully. Look at that, man. Right, we better get out of here before the workmen come back and ask us what we're doing in here. You want to say hello for the video, Bilal?
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Bilal from Switzerland, 31 years old. I met Mark 4 days ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 days ago, and my last day here, and looks nice.
Yeah.
I like that place.
Yeah, we're just exploring Faro and just found this abandoned building purely by chance, so that's what we're doing. I think we better get out of here before the workmen come back.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a photo here.
Alright. You want to see the photos, check out Bilal's Instagram. I'll put the link in description. One last look at the backyard if you want. Our hostel is over that direction somewhere. Right, it'll be interesting. Oh, there's a little house out the back as well. Be interesting to see what they do with this place. Look at that. Tiles are intact there, look. Right, we need to get out of here, don't we?
Are you talking with me?
Talking to the camera. Right, this was the abandoned building in Faro. Oh, sorry, I'll show you from the outside. I haven't shown you from the outside yet, have I? This is how we got in. This is how we got in. The door was just open. We haven't broken in. We never break in anywhere. Always follow the Urbex code. Never break in. Never take anything. Well, you're not supposed to disclose the location, but I'm going to show you anyway because I don't care. This is the building from the outside. It's a nice looking building from the outside, isn't it? Look. Look at that. Let's have a look at that sign. It might say what this place is. Hey. Right, if anyone can understand what that must be the company that's renovating the building. So yeah, be interested to see what this building turns into. That was the abandoned building in Faro. See you in the next video. Peace.